What's that for?
Give me your hand.
Why?
Why does it have to be in the woods? Why does it have to be before dawn? Why $7.99.95? Why? You think knowing the answers will save you? Shut up and give me your hand.
Oh, you nasty bitch!
That's cleaner than anything you've ever touched. Hold it over the fire. Keep it there. Angelica root and spit. A lot stronger than holy water. You got poison oozing out your pores. You live near a highway?
No.
Cook with a microwave or talk on a cell phone?
But who doesn't?
I don't. All that pollution and technology, that's how demons travel. That's why I stay away out here in the woods. Away from civilization. Rub it on your face.
Are you serious?
Make sure to get around your eyes. That's the demon's doorways. Drink.
Oh, Jesus, what the hell is it?
Snake juice.
It's made from snakes?
No, it snakes down in you, coils around that evil and rips it out. All of it. Every last drop.